A significant share of the CDMO market is owned by private equity or has leveraged, ownership structures. What questions should sponsors ask to assess financial stability and sort of protect a long-term supply agreement, especially regarding resourcing, quality staffing, and reinvestment? Elena, maybe over to you first since you're right there.
Yeah, let me start and then I hand it over to Christine. So it just happened. I actually seen the whole spectrum of companies of CDMOs being acquired by private equity. Sorry, and really depends on the objectives of that transaction. Oftentimes, it can be as simple as the private equity sees an opportunity of acquiring this business and creating a predictable stream of cash flow and profits. Or on the other side of the spectrum is they acquire the asset, they learn more about some potential weaknesses, and then they just decide to harvest it, and they do not invest into the CDMO's future. Uh, so it's a sponsor really needs to take time to understand the objective of the private equity and how the CDMO's uh, business model is going to look going forward. Is there a long term investment? Is the CDMO's leadership still able to focus on the core business of actually developing and manufacturing, testing, packaging, shipping the product? Or, are there just pulling all sorts of directions about the profit and loss? So taking time, understanding it can be a great development if the transaction is right and if the intent is right, or it can create some challenges for the sponsor. The focus is not exactly on the core business of the drug development, and that can create some gaps or delays.
One way I've been able to look a little bit at the financial stability of the company is um, how willing is the company to share with you their long term objectives and even what they've done with revenue that they've created so far. So how are they thinking about reinvestment? How have they can they show you recent reinvestment or future plans? I think that will help you get an idea um, of whether this, opening a longer term relationship with them is going to be risky or low risk to your product and project.